Oh man. That is so cool. He's a big one too. Wow, look at that. No kidding. I haven't caught one of these in a very long time. Look at that thing. White sucker, you are good now. Wow, I think just darted right in there. That's a nice trout. Really nice trout. Is that a brown? It is a brown. No crap. Nice brown. Really nice brown. Oh, wow. That is a good fish. Barely hooked. Wow. That is a beautiful fish. Look at that one, guys. That is a beautiful fish. Really nice brown. Beautiful brown trout. Beautiful colors on that fish. Really nice fish. Really nice one. Let's get him back in. And let's get him in. That's a beautiful trout. There he goes. Nice, nice fish. Back to back, guys. Nice rainbow and a brown. Well, brown then rainbow. Wow. Tell you what though, these rainbows fight, I think, harder than brown. That brown fought hard, but this guy's a little smaller and fight almost the same. Another nice, beautiful trout here at the creek, guys. The creek's been nailing them lately. Well, we've been nailing them at the creek. Not as giant, but still a nice fish. Let's get him released. Nice fish here, guys. Let's get him in quick. Boom, there we go. It's a little cloudy here. Oop, okay, I caught him again. Nice, nice, nice fish, guys. Let's go. I fished up here. I wasn't getting anything in the commerce section. I went up here. Boom, we're starting to get them. Well, I got two. Who knows if we get any more, but we'll try this and maybe go up the creek. And that one spot I always go to. Guys, I was trying to get this like loop out of my lines. I whipped it down there, and look what I have on. A nice trout. You gotta be serious. My goodness. And I said to myself, I guarantee something's gonna hit this when I'm doing this. Yep. I am definitely right on that. This is a really nice trout too. Really nice trout caught. Oh my God. Wow. Man, this thing must not have been hooked for a while. Now I got him. This is a nice one, guys. Look at that one. Another nice fish. They're all really nice. Like, that's probably about an easy 15-incher. Another really solid fish. Let's get him in. Oh, there he goes. He snapped back into it. Nice. Nice. He's fine. There he goes. And that's nice rainbow here. This is coming right in. Hey, buddy. Okay. You want to come in? What the heck? This is a nice one, too. I think there's a little hook jaw on him. Come on, but well, no. That's funny, guys. I just went up the creek. Wow, that's a really nice fish. I just went up the creek, guys. And I just got three out of here. Before, that one was way down there. This is another. Look at the color on this guy. Really cool colored fish. Really nice, really nice. All different colors in the fall. That's why I love fall fishing. All right, let's get him released here. Hey, this one's good to go. Now he wants to go back in the net. Come on, buddy. Whoa. Whoa. The other one's so good. He was acting weird, but now he's good now. Nice. Oh. Nice. Keep trying here, guys. Up in here. That's funny. I did catch that one way down there. Actually, I don't even know where I caught him because I was just fooling off my line. But we'll keep trying here. Really good spot. Yeah. All right. Let's keep trying. Another one, guys. This one looks like the same one I just caught, tit for tit. He is coming. These darker ones they don't really fight that good. They fight, but they're not fighting like those more silvery looking fish. This one looks like the same fish I just caught. Like, you guys think this is probably the same fish. Oh, now this one's bigger. He's a little heavier and longer. All right, well, that's fish number 5. Yeah, 5. Looks like, actually, it literally looks like the same fish I just caught. That's no way. There he is. What a nice looking fish here. There he goes, guys. I'm trying to get another picture of him, but he just went off. Good, good. Wow. Okay, back to back. Literally almost the same exact fish. That's funny. Wow, brothers are hitting. Nice. There he is, guys. I missed like 2 down there, or like the same fish twice. This is not the same fish I just lost, but see, I'm casting way down because it's so calm and clear. Those fish are seeing me. So I went all the way up here and casting way down there and worked my thing up. And boom. Got this fish. Oh, sorry, little but well, he ain't little. Another nice trout here, guys. Nice fish. Let's get him released here. He wants to go. And there he goes. Don't be like that one. There he goes. He wants to go. Yeah, guys, I'm casting way down, working my lure up. And that's how I'm getting them. I was kind of down there. Like, I was to say fishing here. Just say I'm fishing here. And the fish are like, see my bag? Like, right out there. I was kind of like, maybe a little down a little farther. But like, they were seeing me. Now I'm way up here, casting way down there. Almost where that point is right here, if you guys can see. That's where I'm casting. That's how I'm getting them now. I wasn't getting anything, guys. I just got that sucker, which was a surprise. I was real my lure in it. Boom, he snagged it. Gee, well, yeah, I didn't snag him. He freaking engulfed it. All right, let's keep fishing. Man, I wish I got that on video, guys. This thing jumped. I was just these big rocks in front of me. I casted my lure right in there, working it. He came out and whacked it. Right by those rocks. He sit underneath those rocks. Let's sit beside him. Slash underneath. Another rainbow. He hit like a brown. There we go. Uh-oh. Well, he ain't done. He's a really nice fish. All good sized fish. You don't like me. He's swimming away from me. You don't like seeing me. Don't worry, buddy. I ain't gonna kill you. Oh my God! How is this thing not giving up? This thing must not have been hooked for a while, because this thing is fighting way too hard for its size. It's a nice fish, but holy crap! All right, there he goes. That's a nice one, actually. Really nice fat fish, barely hooked. Hook just nope, it didn't pop out. It just popped out. He is still full of energy. What a nice one here, guys. Look at that thing. I mean, for his size, that thing fought like a freaking freight train. All right, let's release him here. He's ready to go. There he goes. Man, he fought good. These rainbows fight hard, like really hard. Nice, nice, nice. Wow, that was amazing. I thought you guys seen that. I was not expecting to catch a fish there. I was just trying this before I leave this spot, and I got one. Wow. Okay. Really good day, guys. Really good day. At first, start off slow. Got that nice sucker. I see him in here. I'm like, I want to get one. I finally got one. Yeah, really good day. That is a fun fight these fish put up. Especially these rainbows. These rainbows fight hard. I mean, really hard. And we got him now. Oh, there we go, buddy. Oh, you're going in there. No. This is why I don't get these fish sometimes. I really don't. Come on. Come on. You were just doing perfect. There you go. Nice. That might be the last fish here. And maybe today. Oh, I just jumped there. I don't know. We'll keep trying. I'm going to go to the other spot. If not, I still did really good. Well, it depends if someone's there or not. If someone's there that knocked the fish. It's no biggie to me. But, yeah, I keep trying, see if you get any more. I keep saying that, but I'm gonna work my way down here a little bit. It's a little calmer and I can see them more. And that's what I was doing by the little rapids there. Not really rapids, but let's see what happens. But that might be the last fish for today, for a really good day. Another one, guys. A freaking another one. Might not have to go to another spot. I keep getting them right here. And guys, I just tried down there before. I wasn't getting anything. I don't get it. I don't want time or something to turn these fish on or what. Because I was doing the same thing I'm doing now. Like, how the heck? This one's not really fighting that for his size. All right. Wow. This is actually a really nice one. Holy crap! This is a really fat fish, and he didn't even fight. Guys, this thing's like a little fatty. Might have to cut the hook on this guy. Yeah. I'm gonna try cutting the hook, guys. This is actually the first one I really got hooked it. I'll try quick get this thing unhooked at least. It'll be fine. I don't really want to keep any today. All right, let's release this guy. He should be fine. Fatty, really a big fat fish that didn't even fight hard. He fought. Now he's going nuts. He should be good. No, he swam away perfect. Sometimes you do this. There we go. All right, he's good. He's good. I didn't want to pull the hook. You know, I lost my lure, but I found a bunch already. All right, let's keep trying here. What the heck? I was going to move, but you don't need to move. There's fish hitting. All right, guys, that is it for today. Great fishing, just this little stretch right here. Catching all those nice fish now. Really nice brown. My biggest brown, well, no, it's not my biggest brown of the year, but biggest brown in a creek, like a small creek. I fish that river a lot, but this was definitely my biggest brown trout in a creek, not a river. But really nice fish, all nice fish. I mean, they all were really good size. I mean, the smallest fish was probably like 14 inches. That's really good for trout. But again, use small creek lures, light line. Light line's big, and you don't want the fish. You don't want to see the fish too much close to you, because that means they probably see you too. So don't fish on top of them. Fish way up, cast down to them, or just float your lure down, or whatever you're using. Bring your lure up past them, and now you go to their spot. I'm satisfied with this, with the fish I caught today. Just really, really, really good, really good. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.